Hey guys, what is going on? It's your girl Nisha and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I hydrate and moisturize back my curls from looking all dry and limped and just dull into juicy moisturized curls. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. To shampoo my hair I use the ManeChoice Pink Lemonade shampoo. And then I applied the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask by Curls. So this is like a deep, penetrating, intensive, reparative hair mask. And this helps to prevent breakage, it repairs damage, and enhance growth within your hair. This product has a lot of great ingredients as well, such as aloe leaf juice, chamomile extract, has blueberry extract. And this product mainly helps to repair, protect, restore, and also grow your curls. So to add a little bit more moisture to my hair, I'm going to be going in with my Rooted Treasure Organic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This black castor oil is thebomb.com. I mean, the smell is not the greatest, but it's tolerable. It's really thick and black and really rich as well. It's handmade in Jamaica, and this has been my go-to for my deep treatments in my hair. So for those of you who don't know, black castor oil actually has a lot of great benefits. So black castor oil is rich in omega-9 fatty acids, and that helps to moisturize your scalp. It also helps prevent your hair from drying out, hence why I like to add it into my deep treatments. So applying castor oil regularly can also help to moisturize your roots and scalp, and it also promotes hair growth. So after I applied the treatment and the oil, I'm just going to braid my hair into 2 corners going back and leave it in overnight. So this is the next morning. I'm just loosening my braids, or I should say pulling them out, and then I'm going to go in the shower and rinse out my hair. Then to finish off, or just to add that extra moisture, I'm going to go in with the ManeChoice Pink Lemonade Conditioner. If you guys remember the first clip in this video, you remember that my hair looked so dry and just ew. And look, after applying the conditioner and the black castor oil to my hair, look how shiny and moisturized my hair looks. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using the ManeChoice Pink Lemonade and Coconut line, and the product that I'll be using is the Curl Boosting Sherbet, and I'll be using the Jessi Curl Rockin Ringlets Potion. So this is just a little preview of how my curls looked after. Really moisturized and shiny and bouncy, just how I love it. This is the final results, guys. Yes, my hair and my scalp felt amazing, so moisturized, and my curls and the definition and everything was definitely there. Hashtag definitely there, because that seems to be like a little phrase that I use anytime my hair comes out, bomb.com. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the description box for all the products that I use. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.